Naghimo sang maragtas si Vice President Sara Duterte bilang pinakaunang opisyal sa Pilipinas nga na-impeach sang duha ka beses. Pagi sa 257 affirmative votes, 25 sa negative kag 9 abstentions. Gin-impeach ang House of Representatives si Duterte kag ginaprubahan ang House Committee on Justice Report agud i-transmit ang articles of impeachment sa Senado para sa trial. Ang boto naglapaw pa sa 106 ka boto o kanang 1/3 sang constitutional threshold nga required agud ma-impeach ang public official kag nalapawan ang orihinal nga 240 ka mabalida nga nagsuporta sa unang impeachment batok kay Duterte sang 19 Congress. Ang ginaprubahan nga articles of impeachment nagaunod sang 4 ka major charges batok sa Vice President nga nagalakip sang misuse ng confidential funds, unexplained wealth, bribery kag grave threats. Ginalauman nga mag-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court sa tion nga articles of impeachment ang gintransmit agud magpadigayon sang trial proceedings. Ang conviction maga-require sang 2/3 vote sang tanan nga senador kun at least 18 ka boto. Kung malabot ang conviction, si Duterte ang mangin pinakaunang nga Vice President sa Pilipinas nga na-impeach ginkaka sa pwesto kag disqualify sa pag-uyat sa public office nga magatapos naman sa ihandom sa pagpadalagan sa pagkapresidente sa 2028 nga eleksyon.
With 255 members voting in the affirmative, 26 against, 9 abstention, House Resolution number 989 together with the findings, conclusion, recommendations contained in Committee Report number 261 are hereby adopted. But before we continue, the Chair would like to manifest that I was informed by the Secretariat of a correction in the result of the nominal voting on the House Resolution number 989 that the body earlier adopted. The correct result is as follows. Affirmative 257 instead of 255. Negative 25 instead of 26. And abstention remains at 9. In view thereof, let the records reflect the said result. Majority Leader.
Yari naman ang kabahin sang motion ni House Senior Deputy Majority Leader Lawrence Defensor sa pag-endorse ang articles of impeachment sa Senado.
Mr. Speaker, I move to endorse to the Senate the resolution setting forth the articles of impeachment together with all the annexes pursuant to the rules of House on impeachment proceedings. Further, I further move that the Secretary General be directed to prepare and transmit the same to the Senate for appropriate action in accordance with the Constitution and the rules of the House.
Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The motion is approved. The resolution setting forth the articles of impeachment together with all annexes is hereby endorsed to the Senate.
Mr. Speaker, as soon as the articles of impeachment are transmitted, I further move to furnish the respondent, the complainants, and the counsels copies of the committee report and the resolution setting forth the articles of impeachment, including its annexes.
Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The motion is approved. The Secretary General is so directed. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session until tomorrow, May 12, 2026 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
The session is suspended until tomorrow, May 12, 2026 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Ang kabahin sang natabo kahapon sa House of Representatives kasunod sang pag-impeach na kay Vice President Sara Duterte.